Hi everyone, welcome to Euroforce IT. Like everybody else, we are also started our fight against COVID-19, and this is our attempt to save 1.3 billions of life in India and beyond. So let's start with the problem statement that we have in our hand, and everybody already know what this curve means. And according to some prediction, by end of the May, we will have 40,000 infected people in India, and probably by end of June, this number goes up to 75,000 or even more. Now, if you dig down to the problem statement a little bit, one of the initial challenge that is in front of all of us is the testing. So let's talk about one small city, Bhubaneswar. And in Bhubaneswar, we have 1.1 million of people, but how many test kits we have? Only 5,000. That means for every 200 people, we have only one test kit. What we are coming up with, our solution, we have something called as intelligent healthcare system. An intelligent healthcare system, what we are trying to do, we are trying to solve this kind of problems, this kind of pandemic by using the technology like artificial intelligence and deep learning. So people generally cough. And that's a particular type of cough. So what we're trying to do here is, can we somehow detect that cough pattern, right? Can we analyze our cough and say whether this is a COVID-19 cough or not? So cough is basically a sound, right? A sound that has a particular wavelength. So we can basically represent a cough in a data format and then feed this data format to our intelligent healthcare platform, sound analysis. Here it is the cough, and detect whether your cough is a COVID-19 pattern cough or not. Anybody can go to the Play Store, download this, run this at home, and find out what is the likelihoodness of getting of being infected by coronavirus, right? So you may ask, in rural area people might not have smartphones. So if this works, then what we will do is we will make it available in normal phone. So you can give a phone call to a particular number, a toll-free number, government toll-free number, and you can record your cough while you were on the call, and immediately you will be given answer. You were 80% match to a corona symptom, or 10% match to a corona symptom, or something like that, right? So that will be a great help, because we cannot come up with so many test kits. Rather, we can do it by having our citizens at home and safe, and ask them to do this preliminary testing. So let's say your result is 90% chances that you were corona infected, then an automatic source call will be initiated from your cell phone, and the respective department will be informed. Right. So what is the value proposition that we are bringing from our platform? Right. First, you are doing this from the comfort of your home. So you're basically not going out and respecting the lockdown. The second, testing at scale. So a smartphone app or phone to a toll-free number, anybody in our country or beyond that can do it without spending a lot of money. Right. Third, no expensive kits. So we are not spending money on buying kits from China, South Korea, and Russia, from those big countries. We can actually start this preliminary checkup from home itself. Instant result. So you will get the result within millisecond. So you record the cough, you click the button, you get the result. And result is immediately shared with the source call. So fear of death and those kind of things will be avoided if you are doing this test. And if you come up positive, then an automatic source call will be generated from your cell phone, right? And the fifth, the power of artificial intelligence with 90% accuracy. So with that, we end up with one simple concern. We are already late. We are already late responding to this COVID-19 situation. So let's not be too late. And we are ready to test, ready to act, ready to integrate, and we are ready for everyone. Now the question is basically on you. Are you going to help us? Can you see the big picture? Do you think that this will definitely help our citizen?